protein brand came for sponsorship. He told I don't want protein and everything. All I just need is just go up and down in my village.
Time. Bên trên mũi mê rồi. Em nó xuôi nó bộ. Thì đi thế không? Mẹ chốc chốc lắm thế. Mấy bia. Ba đồng thế, ai đồng cái bên pa. Hello mo.
Nice to see you. Yeah.
Afternoon.
I feel very relaxed if I see you. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, hi.
Patrick, hello.
Getting warm here. Yeah.
Okay, kasi dito pasok kayo communicate na si MIZO at socialize sa tapason kan kalon dumi na kan ichi hadan kinero at saklaw ka kan siyang so from zero. Okay, tega
Tiêm à? Cho mình tiêm. Draw. Baกันสุดตัวกันตรงนั้นเตรียมชั้นเลยเราเตรียมเกมนึกตัวเลยเราเนื้อฟังทำชอบกันที่เสียตัวนี้อ่ะเขาเสร็จแล้วผมมาเสียเฉียดแต่กันเนี้ยมีปกตินั้นมีทั้งนั้นเทคช่วยยังไงก็เทคเราดรอจุดนี้
Taro, dip taro.
Cuan.
Oh, không chịu đâu.
Tuna. Hello. Dah. Relax setagin. Lalu tu keeping good in pesa karang kala. Ama hi. Lekin nak tu saya tu macam mana cuan film sayang. Ama hi kemani kel main profesional lah dia. Klub dia. Wih pun mungkin benar. Mungkin benar deh. Kita kal kata deh. Pun tak kena dia. Cumi cu tu nak hian relax sah. Injin nak bukan bunga. Cucu. Ama hi tu nak hian go keeping good saja. India team ada ketim langsung junior senior anak oh tu nak nang mak ni di extra arung teh lupa itu nak hilang kena so di bila di tiap hari di MPL tu le kerana mak ni Reliance coach teh mungkin sangat lihat kita aja akan itu oh cucu di field juga tu nak ingin mau asal yang field ingin mau asal yang cuan cumi bangka ingin mau nang mak ni tanah tips tu ingin mau sesuatu jadi. Good evening, boys.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, boys.
Good evening, sir.
Much better. Yeah? When you come to ground, you must be very lively. Very good. Okay. My name is Vannei. I work with Reliance Foundation as a goalkeeping coach. Okay. At the same time, I'm a goalkeeping instructor, coach, educator as well. So today I will be doing some sessions to understand goalkeeper a little bit about you, and then try to help you a little bit. Okay, along with the players. Okay, and then with all the players will be involved in the technical session. Okay, first we start with some activities separately for the goalkeepers. Other teams will be that side, and then later on I bring all of you. Okay, then you try to score. And the goalkeeper will not allow you to score there. Yes, goalkeepers, who all are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 goalkeepers. Okay, very good. Okay, first part technical training you will be there with them. Okay. And when the players all come, you have to stay out because that time their power is strong. Yeah, it can be dangerous. So just technical work you can be a part of it. Okay, and then later on we'll discuss. Okay, ready for the session?
Yes,
sir. Okay, so outfield players, everybody go this side. Okay.
Hello, bring on the talking.
Okay, I'll keep this and then let it can yeah. Okay. So all the goalkeepers take some balls, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 or 6 balls. Remaining balls you give it to them. Other balls we can go that side. We'll do some functional exercise, and then later on I will bring everyone, and then I'll try to make you score. Okay? And then let's see, you score or they save. Alright? Let's go. Get the ball.
Back zone.
Yeah? Get glove.
Sacha là duy nga đi lá.
With the glove. Get your glove.
Này lên cao nga luôn lên.
Get your glove. Yeah? Okay? Very good. Let's go. Four and two girls are there. Yes. So 2 extra ball. That's it. Yeah? That's it.
Yeah. Miss Ramtei. Sir Chana. Sir Mama. Saranan. Dilipa. World 1. Lama Trangin. Oh, tihian kan soi deuh zuai nga. National Sub Junior Team Mizoram tuna camp me khi tihian naupang ho hi coaching aron pe a Reliance lama tangin MFA ten an thok dunin chuan ni min pia kan tiang chu zirto pa khan MPL a goalkeeper te ho coaching aron pe a chuan nimin inrin ni khan naupang league Reliance naupang league khel turte khatiang coach so te deco coach so te khatiang kha shilfiana thil shilfiana hun goalkeeper chungchang vel shilfiana hun ania chuan tuna hian national camp under 13 team a ommek Mizoram team te ti hian aron training pui le a thakop me ama hian sargumpe hianin AFC level 3 goalkeeping coach kha azo to a chuan baka ama hi AIFF nuaya coaching license instructor kha ani chuan CT kondaka nakina phei chuan pro license ti mek ani ta ala zo chi alawa chuan azo huna khanin B license te tikhan nge amana a thei anga exam chuanin tikhan aron conduct le zel dona chuan ei an Vannei khop mai Mizoram no pangte Mizo no pangte han tiang hetiang hoin an Vannei khop mai hetianga goalkeeping coach mo Indian goalkeeping coach Chinania Reliance a hian a thazok a hna a thazok han tila mishing chuan in sumle pa ya te hatiang han level up te kan dua kha Reliance a hian a thoka chuan tuna po hianin ISL a te po lako thawani ti kha kan lo shedon nia amai fel boka Arunachal nia Arunachal an uma hetiang goalkeeping coach nei tha experience nei tha ina coaching aron pek hi an wang ve khopang mizowa chuan van nei khop mai no pan lai thang hetiang hi chu tongzen hi chu an wang ve khopang India enge academy mo India camp a omemo khatiang te ni lo chuanin an wang ve viawang tuna national camp a omek ni under 13 player te PBL le shuai te le meichia no pang pani hi an Vannei tak zet ani tianga coach thanhuaya han train hi chumo chu alom om tak zet MFA Mizoram Football Association le Reliance Young Champ so tho hona antel ara antela tuna hianin ball cap dan te W cap te scoop te jump te hetiang hi an thiam tur hin Vannei to pani mai keda dan kudda dan enge awareness of opponent ti vel te khatiang chi hei au te mo khatiang chi kha au dan tur te khatiang kha azir tir thatop ani chu an Vannei lutuk MPL a po hianin hetiang ang hian coaching ron pe se chu goalkeeper tan jon khida abdor na thei tur ani mai senior coach ania baka instructor ka ti kha chutiang chunia sangni somni le pakhat le sangni somni pani C license kan training khan AFC C license kan training khan kan instructor ani fel khop mai gumpe sar hi chu
Ready again, let's go, let's go. Come on. Very good, very good. Okay, well done. Okay, little bit of stretching, leave the ball away.
tuna kan hmu mek hi dilipa ni world one lam chuan ti hana stretching ten nei puya no pangtan chuan in thal tuk a motivate to pani chuma hetiang goalkeeper tha ni china kan soi khani mai an van nei lu tuk mizo no pang hi van nei to pan ni mai shuaya come on yes aban cap nal be aban man nal be pibia no pang te ming hi lo chin chial tuk lawa mei chia kem anom thawa ta chuanin chuan tiang kan lo hria tur chu heta hianin Mizoram sub junior boys under 13 hi an head coach chu dika khiang te mission veng thlangania chuan assistant anan gurung chuan bekhama anti kha backs academy nei tu hu ta tan thril lampang mo kulampang ania chuan an manager a hianin sarmama ismal som tluanga mizo football legend kan ti khania chuan physio hianin misram te omboka ti hianan ria pui ani van nei khop mai chuan kan sei belle du shim chu I sardika hi mission veng thlami khania mizowina AFC A license kan nei panga zinga pakhat khania chuan sarma male sar anana hi C license AFC Asia Football Confederation hnuai khanin C license holder anni an fa nei lutuk coach than hnuai training an neya ti hian engkim experience lo nei tam to lutuk mo ton hriat lo nga to lutuk khan anan train ania ni tin tian jing le tlaya ti khan training an pezia an lot la ka zirte pon yang chu hatiang kha chu kan soi thei lowa an manin training plan an nei veka sardiga ten training plan an siama ti khan an follow ti khan mo sap trong te lo
in ke ding lampang kha mang ro in ke ding lampang kha
an practice pui char char ani mai an vani an thal tu coach tha nuai ti hian an training thei kan no panlai ni se kan ti vong mai ni gumpe sarin ball cap dan le opponent te close dan mo atiang chi kha minut ti boy thei tu na kha ball lo ven him dan kha tiang kha jam chia patnian ke patnin tin turania ti vel ten an thrilani hi
in zuan ma khan
in la hriat dan tur tan ti hian kan da tha char ngai
keeper
kan thei chin
auro
Left leg. That's a good one, okay? Come on, continue. Right leg. Run. Keep running before I go. Keep running. Just run. I'll throw. No. That's side running.
Apangai.
Run.
Aran pangai.
Over running. Run.
tlan pangai jump bro
Jump, okay? Now time your jump. Okay? Now run. 1, 2. Okay. Right.
Good try.
If you land one leg, this will always happen. So land 2 legs to give stability. Alright? Yeah? Run. Go. 2 leg landing. Well done. Run. Yeah, 2 leg landing. That's good. Okay? Same thing, left leg. Run. Okay, never mind. We'll pick up later. Run.
side running Davin
Side lawin. Aran pangai le. Adik reng masih.
adik mayang next
1, 2, 3.
yeah
Good. Now,
landing
after running, not here. You jump. Now here, jump. Okay, I'll just walk with little bit. Come. Ball to me. Ready? Stay here, Andy. Okay. Ready? Not ready. Ready? How ready? How do you be ready? Show me your ready position. Yes, ready means yeah, ready. Okay, cross leg. Just cross.
leg
Yes.
Across
okay.
in.
Now jump. No. Leg, jump. 2 legs. Very good. Come back. Cross leg, left. To the left. Now left. No. Stay. cross leg, jump. No. From there only. Okay. Cross leg, jump. Yes. 2 legs. Stay. Come. Okay, we'll do a drill. Okay. Cross leg, jump. 2 legs. 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 Practice there 10 times. You do it. Come. You do it. Okay. Stay. Ready?
lâu tiro le lâu tiro thì trăng trao rồi
2 legs. Okay. Cross leg,
với sồn tal
jump.
với ngà để lắm
Jump. Aye. This is the ball. Touch it. Ready? Cross leg. Cross leg and jump. No. Cross leg. Cross left leg. Lift this leg now. See. Now you follow me. Follow me. Ready? And then from here, I jump. Okay? Let's jump without ball. Then cross and jump. Cross and jump. On your own. 2 legs. Cross and jump. Whoop. 2 legs. Yeah? Ready? Now do this. If I say, come, both of you. Can you do this also, or everyone? Come. This is important. Once you learn this, you know how to do this, then I can throw the ball. I just move. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. Up. Okay? Now I will do this then. You watch. Okay? Now you come. Okay? Only 6 balls. 3 this side, 3 this side. This side every time left leg, this time every time right leg. Ready? Yeah? Let's go. Cross leg. 1. Keeper. Let's go and come back. Yeah. Left leg. Yes. Ready? Yes. Keep out. Now see. So I don't want you to jump this leg. This side. Every time left leg. This side. Cross and jump. Ready? Yeah. Ready now. Cross and jump. Ready? This side. Ready? Let's go. Oh. Okay. Now quick. Continue. Yeah. Cool. Ready? Yes. Oh. Yeah. That's good. Now this side. Yeah. Cross leg. Oh. Yes. Good. 2 leg landing. Yes. Oh. Okay. Now you. Ready? This side. Cross leg. Yep. Keep on. Really good. And then come back and then cross leg. Let's go. Keep on. 2 leg. Yeah. Ready? Cross leg. Let's go. Alisha. Ready? Let's go. Up. Keep on. Okay. You do it now. Let's do only one side. Everybody go this side. Oh. Yeah, this will give you more elevation. Alright? Ready? Let's go. Ready? Go. Yeah? Last one is. Okay, that's a good catch. Outside, okay? You have water here? Yeah? One water? Yeah? Get the water bottle here. Yeah, bring it here. Okay? Let's go. Come on, go. Keep out. That's good. Landing. Yeah. Shout before jump. Ready? Let's go. Up. Out. Keep on. That's good. Yes. Come on, run. Up. Hey, don't jump. Okay. Now about timing. Okay. Don't jump. Polo. On the ball. Huh?
Jumping kind of.
Okay.
Adik.
Keep running. Yeah? Keep running. Go. Now, yeah. Good timing. Well done. Come. Keep running. Run. Okay, no problem. Come back other side. And then throw, yeah? Straight, yeah? Okay, come. Jump. Come out. Loud. Keep on. Good. Come on, girls. Let's go. Very good. No problem. Let's go. Go. Okay, catch it, yeah? Ready? Lefty. Come on. Come. I'm putting the ball here. Okay, yeah, again. Ready? Let's go. Come on. High ball. That's good. Yeah? Let's go. Come on. Keep on. Good. Throw. Come. Time your jump, okay? Okay, lefty, come on. Run. Good. Last one each. Ready? Let's go. High ball now. Oh. Yeah, that's a good catch. Yeah? High ball. Come on, catch it. Keep on. Wonderful. Well done. Good throw. Yes. Oh. Good. Come on.
Okay, left leg. Can you jump with left leg? Yeah? Okay.
Yes, coach.
Let's go. Come on, come on, let's go.
Keep up.
Okay. Left leg still has to work a lot more. Come on, high. Here, not here.
Sang thiang beraman tur oh sang
Get
thiang
it
ber.
high. Keep high.
Out tur. Pelo out tur.
Okay. What's your name? Huh? Loudly.
Louder. Soiring rau le soiring rau.
Huh?
Kom Kimi.
Kimi. Oh, Kimi.
Feli.
Belly. Okay, throw the ball. Okay. No. Somebody will come and score from here. So where I must catch? As high as possible, huh? Not here. Okay? You come. Come you. Come. Big striker. Give the ball. What will you come and head, huh? But now I come and catch this. Okay? Now throw the ball. Now you come, okay? Now you throw, okay? Keeper! Then he don't come. Okay, again. Now you come and throw. Throw, yeah? Keeper! Okay, this leg is for protection. Yeah? Strong. Right? Okay. If you come, catch here, they will score. Yeah? One man each and then we do a little bit of cut back. Ready? Let's go! Louder, left leg. Run, the left leg. Oh! Every time right leg. Okay, can you do it? Left leg. Come. Come here, you come. Throw the ball. You. Come. Okay, now left leg go. 1, 2, and then cross, then jump. Cross and jump. Yes, ready? Yeah? Let's do it. Here. Ready? Jump. Ready, let's go.
Oh.
Yeah, you can do it, but only habit has to be cultivated. Yeah? Come back again, do it again.
Kakak habit saya yang oh.
Ready? Left leg, high. Ready? Let's go. Up.
Oh.
See, easier. Landing also becomes easier. Huh? Okay? Remember that. Okay, let's go. Come on, left leg. It's right leg. Left leg, okay? Last one is Salkhan. Up. Come. Good, look at the ball. Don't take your eyes off the ball, huh? Look at the ball, high. That's better. Okay? Now.